question number 8 of the JAMB 2020 maths question, that in the diagram above, or in this case in diagram beside, ABCD is a square of side 3.5 centimeters each. Remember that a square has 4 equal sides and 4 equal angles. So the side here, here, and here is 3.5. So they told us that ADE is a quadrant of a circle. Don't forget, a circle has what? 4 quadrants. So we're given just one quadrant here. So it said find the area of the figure to the nearest whole number. So let's first and foremost find the area of a square, and the formula for area of a square is side square. So this is something I think 3.5 square, which is equals to 12.25 centimeters square. So this is area of this square. Now how do we get 3.5? You recall that 1 over 2 is the same thing as 3.5. So don't get that confused. So we found the area of the square. Let us go and find the area of this quadrant. So area of a quadrant is just area of a square divided by the number of quadrants we have. So since we are given one quadrant, so that will be area of a square, which is pi r square over 4, because we have 4 quadrants in a circle. So if we are to solve for this, we have 22 over 7, which is our pi, times radius of the side, which is 3.5. if you recall, so you have 3.5, so we have in two places 3.5 times 1 over 4. So if you do this calculation with your calculator, we'll be left with the area of the quadrant as 9.62 centimeters square. So the area of this whole figure, you have to add the area of the square plus the area of the quadrant, which is 9.62 plus 12.25. So we have 7, we have 8, don't forget our decimal point, we have 1, carry 1, so you have 21.87 centimeters square. And if we are to approximate this, don't forget this is more than 5, we cancel it, add 1, this is giving us 21.9, more than 5, we cancel it, add 1, so we have 22 centimeters square, which is our C.